Good afternoon, everyone. It's March 24th. This is Papa D, and I'm going to attempt to change the Serpentine belt and pulleys. This idler pulley here seems to be making noise. I'm going to start it up, see if we can hear it. There's an idler pulley. This is your Serpentine belt here. I think this highly ranked amateur, can pull this one off. As you can see, the Serpentine belt goes all around that in there. This is on my 2005 GMC Envoy. So, with a 5.3 liter in it. It's your power steering down there. It don't appear to be making noise. This don't appear to be making noise. I listened to this with a stick, but I'm going to start it up and see if we can hear it. So we'll get right back with you here. I'm hoping the camera can pick the noise up. It sounds a whole lot like bearing noise to me. I worked on a few things myself. It could be, we got air conditioner down there. Could be the bearings in that. But I've had two amateurs look at it, and we all decided it's that pulley right here. It almost sounds like a alternator noise, but today it didn't sound like when we listened to it. So, and I know the power steering makes noise when it's really cold outside. So, first thing we gotta do is get that belt off there. I'll show you how we do that. Now this is takes a 15 millimeter to go on that nut, and it's called the tensioner pulley. But you bring it back up that way, and that takes the tension off the pulleys. So that's what we're going to do. See in a little bit. This is Papa D. I do need maintenance here. Oh, that's not what I wanted to show you. Here we go. This has cracks in the Serpentine. So this belt's on its way out, but oh, we're having a hard time here. There you go. Anyway, the story is, there you can see it, is cracks in the belt. There's not supposed to be there. I took it off. It's off of what it's supposed to be. And I started it back up, and that's not the noise. The noise is coming from that idler pulley down there on the air conditioner. I'm hoping it's just that, not the air conditioner too. So what I'm going to do is put it all back together as far as I got it here, and I'm going to take it to the repair shop. That's, you know, it's easier to work on that on the lift than trying to do it off the ground. So that's what we're going to do. Papa D signing off. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. And hit that like button. See that? That pulley's nice and quiet. And where is it at? There it is. That one's quiet. Alternator's quiet. Don't feel no roughness. And then power steering down here. Appears to be pretty quiet too, so it's a little more in depth than I want to get. Don't look like it's a bad job, but just it needs to be done on a lift or up in the air, and I don't have anything like that. I don't want to lay on the ground to do it. So this is where I'm going to end this video, and we'll go from there. I thought I'd show you what I did to Oh, it's the wrong way, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. To check that pulley, as you can see, I got everything off, and then put it down. That stick down in there, and I could listen through it when I put my ear over the top of it, and I could hear it. So, and that's what we'll do. So I'm not going to bother changing them pulleys. If anything, I'll take them back and go and get another idler pulley for that and a belt. I'm going to put the original Serpentine back on, and because ain't no sense of putting a new Serpentine on if they got to take it right back off, in my thinking. But and on this car, they have this represents the air conditioner by location. What was it? Yeah, by the location of it, because it goes to the crankshaft and comes over and powers. And the Serpentine also comes around and powers the power steering, alternator. That's an idler, and that's the tension pulley. Loops around the crankshaft and comes up and hits the water pump. So, anyways, I'm gonna make an arrangement to take it to a garage somewhere. Thanks and watch. Please subscribe and hit the likes up button. Well, this is Papa D. I want to give a follow-up on this car. I told you I was taking it to the repair shop. Today's April 13th, Thursday, and I got it done. And they replaced the belt. It's all nice. Replaced the idler pulley, and they replaced the tensioner. The mechanic said that would probably be the best, and they went down there and replaced the idler pulley on the power or air conditioning. It does sound a lot better. I wouldn't have replaced all that stuff, but you know, I had the parts, and he went ahead and did it, and it sounds good. Here, let me start it up and show you. I noticed with the other video we could hear that pulley under there. So we got that all fixed up nice. Little cap. This engine's got like 178,000, almost 179,000 on it. It's a V8. And it seems to do a really good job for me. We got oil leaks underneath, but that's alright. We'll drive it. Alright, if you like, this is probably Papa D signing off. I'm going to end this video for sure this time. This is on my 2005 Chevy Envoy. And replaced a bunch of pulleys and belts and that. So, just letting you know what I decided to do. It's an easy enough job for a young fella. I'm not that young no more, but if I was younger, I wouldn't have been afraid to tackle it. We'd have put her up on jack stands and we would have had our way with it. But anyway, Papa D signing off. Please subscribe and mash that thumbs up button, and make it so the bell rings. Talk to y'all later. Thank you. Have a good day.